Hello, grade ones, and welcome to the grade one oral assessment review video class. Okay, guys, nice to have you watching the video today. What do you need for today's class? You need your module book. If you don't have your module book, you may pause the video, go get your module book, and come back. Okay? Your module books are going to be very important today. Okay, guys, we will start today's review class with lesson 9. Like you can see, it says lesson 9, page number 1. On lesson 9, page 1, you should see a story called The Little Red Hen. And it says, teacher will ask you about the target vocabulary. In today's story, there are 6 vocabulary words. And in the oral assessment, the teacher will ask you questions about these words. Some example questions are, what do you like to draw? Where do you go after eating breakfast? Do you like to read and write? When you answer the teacher, you need to try and speak with full sentences. You need to try and say as much as you can. Okay, guys, now we go to lesson 9, page number 2. This page talks about singular and plural nouns. Singular means one, and plural means many. And nouns are things that you can see, like people, places, animals, and things. Now, in this box, you see 5 sentences, and it asks you to correct the sentence, because these sentences are not correct. Number 1 says, I see 3 cats walking. 1 cat, 2, 3 cats. So there is a mistake. It's not 3 cat, it's 3 cats. Now look at number 2. We have 10 book. Whoa, book is wrong because 10. So we must have S at the end of books. 10 books. Number 3, my 2 sisters are kind. Well, 1 sister, 2 sisters. Number 4, that dog has 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. The dog has 4 legs. Number 5, my brother has 1 dolls. Only 1. So we can't have S at the end. It's 1 doll. The teacher might ask you to make sentences with 2 nouns. So maybe I say cat, only 1 cat, and books, many books. So you need to take the singular noun, cat, and the plural noun, books, and make a sentence. The example is, the cat reads many books. Lesson 9, page number 3. Every page 3 focuses on spelling words, and the teacher will ask you about the spelling words. There are 8 spelling words today. And it says, I might ask you questions about words. For example, do you know a boy named Ted? You can say, yes, I know a boy named Ted. Or, no, I don't know a boy named Ted. You must answer the question as best you can. I might ask you to make sentences with 2 words, 2 spelling words, and put them together. An example is 10 and bed. You can say 10 monkeys are in the bed. Okay, guys, and that is that lesson finished. So now we're going to go to lesson number 10. Lesson 10, page 1. This story is called Chip the Chipmunk. And again, like lesson 9, teacher will ask you about the target vocabulary. Here we have 8 target vocabulary words. And the teacher can ask you questions. Example, what do you like to eat? What will you do tomorrow? Did your mommy give you something today? So remember, you need to answer the teacher's question as best you can. Lesson 10, page 2. Okay, this is a grammar page, and teacher will ask you about articles. Articles are English words that mean numbers. Okay, we have a, we have an, and we have the. The teacher will say 3 sentences. You must repeat the sentence. You must say it again with the correct article. Let's see this. Number 1 says, I see good boy. So is it a, an, or the? Okay. I'm going to say I see a good boy. A is fine because only one. And the word GG, good, is not an A-E-I-O-U word. I see a good boy. Number 2, teacher is talking to me. So in a classroom, we usually only have one teacher. So I would say I see the teacher. So this sentence, I'm going to say the teacher is talking to me. The means only one or a group or something special. The last sentence, wow, we see elephants. Now, elephant is a special word because it has A, E, I, O, or U at the front. In this sentence, it is an E, elephant. So if we see only one elephant, we say, wow, we see an elephant. So the teacher will say 3 sentences. You must say the sentence again with the correct article. Lesson 10, page 3. Page 3 always talks about spelling words. Today we have 8 spelling words. Okay? Says, I might ask you questions about words. Example, what do you think is very fun? Teacher, I think playing outside is very fun. I think my switch is very fun. I think my family is very fun. These are all good answers. I might ask you to make sentences with 2 words. So, spelling words. Ra'an, run. Ba'an, ba'as, bus. Maybe you can say, teacher, you must not run on the bus. Yes, you must not run on the bus. Guys, that is super, guys. That is the end of lesson 10. And now we're going to go to lesson number 11. Okay, guys, let's have a look at lesson 11, page number 1. What you can see here, the story is called Ben and Sal. And as usual, the teacher will ask you about target vocabulary. In this story, we have 8 target vocabulary words. And as usual, the teacher will ask you questions about these words. Some example questions are, where do you live? Is Taiwan a cold place? Do you have something that is blue? Okay, guys, and now let's go on to lesson 11, page number 2. Page number 2 focuses on grammar, and the teacher today will ask you about proper nouns. Okay? Proper nouns are nouns that focus on names. So have a look, guys. We've got 2 kinds of nouns, common noun, which is just a normal noun, and proper nouns, which focus on names. So I will ask you about common and proper nouns. Then you must make sentences. Example number 1, is Taiwan a common or proper noun? You can see the word Taiwan has a capital letter T. If you see a capital letter, that means it is a name. Taiwan is the name of the place where you live. So your answer will be, Taiwan is a proper noun because it is a name. Then the teacher will say, make a sentence with Taiwan. And you would say, Taiwan is a beautiful place. Yes, Taiwan is a beautiful place. Okay, guys, let's go to lesson 11, page number 3. Every page 3 focuses on phonics, and today we're doing the digraph sound. The teacher will ask you about the spelling words. So we have 10 spelling words today, and I might ask you questions about the words. Example, do you like math? I think math is very fun. That's a very good answer. We also have, I might ask you to make sentences with 2 words. Example, that, path. So the student says, that is the path to my house. Whoa, good sentence. You had 2 spelling words put together. Superstars. So when you are finished these pages in your module, then we're going to ask you different questions or other questions. 2 more things. The first one is your DR. The teacher will ask you to do some DR reading so we can see if your DR is improving and by how much. Also, I want you to ask the teacher a question. Okay? Teacher has asked you so many questions. Now you can ask teacher a question. Maybe you can ask, do you like Taiwan? Why? What is your favorite food? Where do you like to buy clothes? Who is your best friend? You can ask the teacher any question that you like. And the last thing today, guys, what must you do in the oral assessment? Number 1, answer in full sentences. If your teacher asks you, what is your favorite animal? You say, cat. No, it's okay. You answered the question, but you can say more. Let's try one more time. What is your favorite animal? Oh, my favorite animal. I have so many favorite animals, but my favorite, the animal I really like is my cat, Bob. I like my cat Bob because he is very cute. Wow, that's a very, very good sentence. Number 2, speak clearly. When you're speaking, you must make sure that the teacher understands every word. Huh? Teacher, I don't understand. Yes, because I'm not speaking clearly. If you speak clearly, the teacher knows what you're saying. Number 3, speak fluently. Fluently means that you speak without stopping. Okay? For example, now I am speaking to you fluently, but that is not fluently. You need to try and speak as clearly and fluently as you can. The last one, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Boys and girls, we're learning to speak English, and everyone is going to make mistakes sometimes. But if you make a mistake, then you can get better and better and better. So try your best to say as much as you can and know that your teachers support you and will always help you. And look at that, guys. Ding, ding. You're going to do a good job in your oral assessment. So good luck, and we will see you online. Bye-bye.